Lightning. It's one of nature's most spectacular shows. Bright, powerful, and terrifying. But here's the shocking truth. A single bolt of lightning can heat the air around it to nearly 30,000 Kelvin. That's 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Today, we're going to explore how lightning forms, why it's so incredibly powerful, and how, surprisingly, it plays a crucial role in keeping life on Earth alive. When a bolt of lightning strikes, the air around it heats up instantly. At 30,000 Kelvin, the molecules in the air are ripped apart into plasma, a state of matter where electrons fly free from atoms. This rapid heating causes the air to expand explosively, faster than the speed of sound. That's why we hear thunder. The boom is literally the sound of air tearing apart and crashing back together. So in every flash and rumble, you're not just witnessing light and sound, you're experiencing energy hotter than the sun unleashed right above your head. But it's not just the heat. A single lightning bolt can release up to 1 billion volts of electricity. To put that in perspective, that's enough energy to power a small city for a day. Earth experiences around 8 million lightning strikes every day. Multiply that by a year, and you start to understand why storms are one of nature's greatest energy engines. And lightning isn't random. It follows fascinating patterns, from cloud-to-cloud discharges to massive bolts that strike the ground. The longest lightning bolt ever recorded stretched over 477 miles across the sky, longer than the distance from New York to Cleveland. Because lightning is so powerful and mysterious, it has inspired myths throughout history. The ancient Greeks believed Zeus hurled lightning bolts as weapons. The Vikings thought Thor's hammer created thunder and lightning. In many cultures, lightning was seen as a message from the gods. And even today, lightning is so awe-inspiring that people chase storms, studying them up close, risking their lives just to capture their beauty. But here's something most people don't know. Lightning is essential for life on Earth. When it strikes, the extreme heat splits nitrogen molecules in the atmosphere, combining them with oxygen. The result is nitrates, fertilizers that plants need to grow. Without lightning, our soils would struggle to stay fertile. In a way, every forest, every crop, and every green field owes a little thanks to these bolts of energy from the sky. Lightning also helps maintain Earth's electrical balance, constantly neutralizing the charges that build up in the atmosphere. Without it, our planet's electric systems would be unstable. So the next time you see a storm, remember this. Lightning isn't just a dazzling display of power. It's hotter than the sun. It can stretch for hundreds of miles. It has shaped myths, inspired fear, and fueled life itself. What seems destructive is also creative. Lightning doesn't just light up the sky. It fertilizes the earth and balances our atmosphere. If you enjoyed this electrifying journey, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more science explained in ways that will shock you, in the best way possible.